YouTube channel Vigyan karke sikhe, organized by Vigyan Sanstha. Welcome to the fun with math origami. Math origami is a Japanese word which meaning is paper folding. Today we will learn some mathematical concept using origami. Basically we cannot use glue and tape to make craft origami, and without using this I made this one. Today we will verify the value of pi. Yes, the value of pi. If I ask to you what is value of pi, what you will reply to me? Is it 22/7 or 3.14? So basically the both answers are incorrect because these are just approximate values of pi, not the pi. If I ask to you what is pi, you should reply that pi is ratio of circumference to its diameter, because this ratio is constant for every type of circle. It doesn't matter the circle is small or large or very large. I made this circle using origami like this. You can see. If I measure the circumference of the circle and measure the diameter of the circle and get the ratio of these two terms, I get just equivalent value of pi, just approximate value of pi. Let us try. I will just measure the 1 unit length. It is just approximate 4.5 and there are 8 units. You can see there 8 units. To calculate the circumference of this circle without using pi, because we are investigating pi, so we cannot use pi in our calculation. So I am measuring circumference in this way. I will multiply 4.5 by 8. I get 36. 36 as circumference. Okay, I should write C as 36 centimeter. I will measure the diameter of this circle. It is 11.5. So I will divide 36 by 11.5. I get 36 divided by 11.5. So I get 3.13043. It is just approximate to the pi, which is 3.14. Which is 3.14159 and goes up to the infinity without repeating itself. So it is the basically actual pi. It doesn't give our actual value pi because it has some corners. It is not the actual circle. So I understand. I just verify the value of pi using origami method. So my next question is, so why we take the 22/7 as pi? Because it is not the pi, it is just approximate value to the pi. If I ask to you either 22/7 or 3.14159, which goes up to the infinity without repeating itself, in the both value, which value comes first in our knowledge? The most student and the public tells me the answer that 22/7 comes first in our knowledge. But wrong. 22/7 comes later. The first constant that comes in our knowledge is 3.14159 and goes up to the infinity. That value comes first in our knowledge. And that was a mystery at that time, because the ratio of circumference over diameter, it is very important ratio to in our mathematical calculation, because this ratio is used in a sphere as well as in cone and the many other things which contain circle in it. So it is very important to define this ratio. Then we got that if we make the circle using the physical stuffs of the same unit, so what we get? We get it is possible to make a circle with its diameter only if we put 22 units in as circumference and 7 units as diameter. As you seen here, I've made this just the raw material craft. So there are the 22 units put as in circumference and 7 units as diameter. You can try it your home too. You can use matchsticks, you can use the beads also, and you can use the bottles also. But keep it in mind one point, that the every physical unit you are using, it must be of same length. So I'm repeating again itself. So that's why the ratio of circumference and diameter is 22/7, because we cannot get a perfect circle along with its diameter until we put 22 units as a circumference and 7 units as diameter. That's why we use pi as 22/7. But still it is just approximate, not exact value of the pi. It just give after the decimal 2 digits as pi, because actual pi is, you should see the 3.14159, which goes up to the infinity, that is pi. And we should write 22/7, which is not the right way to write it. We should write it is just approximate to the pi. This is 22/7. The ratio is this, given as 3.142857. Again 142857. I should write it 3.142857 bar, because it is repeating after in the 6 pairs. So that's why it is rational number. And the one question arises again here, the pi is irrational and this one is rational, although we put it as equivalent. It is irrational and rational. So the one interesting point I am now going to tell you that, do you know that we have another value of pi except this value, and which gives the more exact to the pi value. This value gives only the 2 digits, which is comparatively to the pi. And in the real pi we have 1/5, and in 22/7 we get 2/8, which is just contradiction of that. And we have just 6 digits paired in the repeating term. We have another value of pi. I am sure that you don't know that what is the another value of pi except the 22/7. If you like this video, so please don't forget to share this video. This is an amazing point about the pi, which one I am going to tell you, that pi is just approximate also 355/113, which is 3.14159, and goes up to the, without repeating, up to the 112 digits after the decimal. Got it? This gives, just like 22/7 gives 6 digits without repeating itself, it gives 112 digits without repeating itself. So we will get at the 113th place 1 as repeating, 1/4. So this is the more exact value of pi than 22/7. So this is the discussion of our pi. So if I ask you, so pi is irrational and it is just a ratio of the c/d. So in the both of them, which one is irrational? Oh, of course, the one should be irrational to get the pi as irrational, because pi is an irrational value. So this is the discussion about the pi. I hope you get my words very easily, the why the value of pi is 22/7 is being taken as pi, and what is the actually value of pi. And you will be very surprised to know in this video that there is another value of pi except the 22/7. So friends, if you like this video, so please don't forget to share the video and hit the button like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please tell us in our comment section below. So thank you. Meet you in our next video. Till then, bye, and share. Don't forget to share.